today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I withdraw on Grow Life successfully without even buy coins. Okay, most people think that you must buy coins before withdrawing on Grow Life, but I completed this route even without spending any money. On this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I did step by step, and I'm also going to be sharing with you how to cash out on this platform without even making any mistake. Okay, before you withdraw on this Glow Life, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. I am sharing my personal experience with Glow Life. I do not guarantee earning or withdrawal because app rules can change at any time. Please do your own research before using any app or spending your money online. Okay, so make sure you do your own research as well. Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to cash out on this platform successfully. But before I proceed, maybe it is your first time hearing about Glow Life. It's an audio app where you can tax, do some activities on the app, and earn extra income online. Note, Glow Life doesn't make you rich. It does not make you rich. It takes time before you can withdraw. Okay, it depends on the activities you do on there, but it doesn't make people rich. Okay, so but you can actually earn extra income while sitting at home. There is something a lot of people keep on asking me, Faith, how can I get coins on Glow Life? I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually see your country people that is selling coins on this app. I am not a coin seller. I don't sell coins, but you can actually go to the app and look for a coin seller in your country and get some coins on the app. Okay, so I am not an coin seller, but I'm going to be showing you how to do that. All you need to do is for you to click on this filter. Okay, if you click on this filter, you're going to see that all the country is available here. You can see United Kingdom, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Togo, Kenya, Ghana, France, South Africa. A lot of people, Nigeria is available on this platform. If you look at this interface of this app, you're going to notice that Nigerians are here. Okay, so now I'm going to come back to here, and there is something I'm checking here that I need to check this before I proceed. Okay, so when looking at this place, you're going to see that all Nigerians is here performing their tax, and here you can actually perform your tax without going to somebody's room. You can stay on your room, perform your tax, and collect your money. Okay, so now you can see that all country is available. Like I said before, this is Nigeria, and all you need to do now, we have seen all the country that it is available. You can see South Africa. If you want to get coins from South Africa, you are going to see different um agency that is selling coins. But note, if you want to get coins, make sure you go to coin center and click on coins, which I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually do that. Okay, go to coins. If you go to coins, you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see different country that is selling coins. Go ahead and choose your country. Okay, your country is going to come. If you need to go ahead and chat the person up. Okay, do not rush and making payment on the app, maybe on the agency, without consulting the agency to know if it has coins. Before you buy any coins in any app, you need to go ahead and message the person and tell the person that you want to buy coin. Maybe the person tell you maybe she doesn't have the coins at the moment. You will know. We know. Okay, instead of proceeding on the app direct, okay, I would advise you to go ahead and message the person that is selling coins and your payment there, then the person will send you coin. Make sure the person is from your country. Okay, now I'm going to be sharing with you how I withdraw here. I need to go ahead and open my Binance account because I'm going to be using my USD to withdraw. Now I have already transferred all my funds to another wallet. Okay, I don't want it to show on this video. I don't want anybody to know how much I have. Okay, I need to I not remove everything. Now I'm going to go ahead, choose network on Binance, then I'm going to choose on deposit, then I'm going to be copying my USDT wallet. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste it here on Glow Life. Then first off, I need to off my room. Note, I haven't even spent anything. You see my level 3. I haven't spent any money, which I'm going to be showing you how I do that. Now, you can see that I need to make sure I check everything so that if there is any points I never collect, then I will make sure I collect it before I click on withdraw. Okay. Now you can see I have 1 million points here. Okay, that is $10. 1 million points here is actually $10. Okay, if you click on payment method, you can see withdrawal method USD. You're going to be seeing USDT CRC20. That is the one I copy from Binance. And you can see ePay and Binance. Okay, that is Binance ID. And they also have local bank account. If you really want to withdraw with your local bank or your mobile money, you can actually use it here. Okay, they have, you can withdraw with dollar or you can withdraw with your local currency. I wanted to go with this, but I say no, I don't have to, because there's a lot of charges here and I can't even stand it. Now have already bound my USDT wallet address on my account, and I don't really want to use this USDT again to withdraw. Now I'm going to be pasting the USDT address that I copied from Binance and came here and put it and write my name. Make sure anytime you want to withdraw with USDT, make sure you write the name that is on your account. Okay, count on your ePay or your Binance. Okay, make sure you write exact the name. Okay, so that your withdrawal will not delay. Now as you can see that you can see your withdrawal application successful. Okay, now I'm actually waiting for them to send me my money, and I ever withdraw this on Saturday time. Okay, and trust me, this thing did reach up to 2 minutes and I receive a lot from this new life that I have withdraw. And I don't really know that the withdrawal is so fast like that. I don't really, I thought that the withdrawal is going to take up to 24 hours, but trust me, the withdrawal didn't take up to 24 hours. Okay, this app is actually real. It's real. It didn't reach up to 2 minutes. I got a message on Binance telling me that I have deposited $8.2 here. I was surprised because I thought they're going to send that money within 24 hours, because they will tell you that it's going to reach out to. But trust me, it doesn't reach like 2 minutes. You're going to see your money on your bank. Maybe it depends on your network, or maybe it can delay, but this thing doesn't delay. This is the experience I have on this Go Live. And after that, when I went to the app, as you can see, still pending. Okay, now I need to check it, and I say, wow, I have received a lot and it's still counting. Okay, so you can see I need to cover some places. If I'm covering some places, do not worry. So my security reason, I can't show my detail on the video. Okay, so just bear with me. Now I'm going to be showing you what makes me to withdraw without buying 1 million coins. On the Glow Life, you need to buy 1 million coins or invite 30 users on this app. As you can see, I've been inviting people from all my social media handles such as Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, and also my family. Okay, so I invited a lot of people. That's what makes me to withdraw without buying coins. I mean, it was easy and faster. Okay, so you can actually invite people and withdraw without spending any money. Platform. Okay, I just share my personal experience I had with Glow Life. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.